Good day everyone, I'm Hanime Vidisan from Bised 3E and today I'll be discuss a known theater play entitled Les Miserables and the significance of it to the audience in terms of political and social implications. But first, let's have a quick background of the play. Les Miserables is a novel by Victor Hugo set in 19th century France. It tells the story of a former prisoner seeking redemption while being relentlessly pursued by a law enforcer. The narrative follows his efforts to care for a young girl whose mother suffered due to societal neglect. Against the backdrop of a failed rebellion, the novel delves into themes of justice, sacrifice, and hope, while critiquing the inequalities of the time. The social implications of these are first, poverty and inequality. The novel or the play highlights the struggles of the unprivileged, exposing the stark divide between the wealthy and the working class and calling attention to systematic failures. Second is compassion and redemption. It portrays how acts of kindness and understanding can lead to profound personal and societal transformation. And last, impact of social neglect. The suffering of marginalized individuals reflects the consequences of societal indifference, emphasizing the need for collective support and reform. And now, let's move on to political implications. First, we have revolutionary struggles. The backdrop of a field uprising symbolizes the enduring fight for justice and equality, showcasing the courage and hope of those striving for change. And second is justice versus mercy. The conflict between strict adherence to law and moral compassion critiques rigid legal systems, advocating for humanity and understanding over punishment. And the significance of this play to the audience. First, universal relevance. The themes of inequality, injustice, and resilience remain relevant, encouraging reflection on contemporary societal issues. Second, of course, the emotional connection. The story's depiction of struggles and sacrifices evokes empathy and inspires compassion. And third is call to action. It urges audiences to address societal flaws, champion fairness, and foster kindness in their own communities. So this theatrical play or musical play offers a timeless critique of social and political system while celebrating the resilience of the human spirit. Its message of justice, hope, and compassion continues to resonate, urging readers to strive for a more equitable and empathetic society.